My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively remove the ransomware called Abyss. This is the ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files that people store on their hard drives. However, my video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to do that. Anyway, this ransomware encrypts the files and appends this Abyss extension to the file names. It also changes the desktop background, as you can clearly see. Finally, the ransomware reveals this ransom note in a form of a special text file called "What Happened," and the ransom note is also presented on the desktop. So the ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware urgently with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and once it is successfully installed, start researching the computer with its help. So Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button, and most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. And definitely this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished, and then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner. Premium license will help you to basically remove this ransomware and to protect the data. There is a special anti-ransomware feature for this purpose. If you upgrade to premium, you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Premium license does not decrypt the files though, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. But at the end of the description to this video, you will see a special link which will give you more information on how to possibly recover at least some of the files. And keep in mind that there is no any other antivirus which actually decrypts these files. But if you upgrade to premium, the premium license will protect all your data in the future.